All right, so here at this road's called Shell Hollow Road Railroad Crossing, here in Evarts, Kentucky. Here at the first signal, it has a Western Golden Haze base. Right here is which has the wires cut. Right on over here, there's a CSX and emergency information. And the dot number on it says 353-215Y. And in the back, oh, it's a license on it. And the lights are all Western Golden Haze tiled by 24-inch incandescent lights. Right here it says missing the visor. That was damaged. So this one condition, the other one. There's the real case. Over here, there's a second signal. Well, so I gotta walk up here right now if I hurry. Over here, we have the other signal, which over here, we have the line, send line. Wow, I can't even walk over here. I can't see it. Right here, it has clam style base. Wait, it has Western Golden Haze base, which I can really see that. We have the emergency information. And the lights are all Western Golden Haze tiled by 24-inch incandescent lights. And yeah, and oh yeah, the bell on the signal on the back. Let me walk, be careful, these rocks and rails. The bell is a Western Golden Haze mechanical bell. And over here, okay, car's not coming, so I gotta cross the street. So, here are some parts of the rails. Careful these flowers. Whoops, just drop it. And the back of it has Western Golden Haze mechanical bell on it. So there is a pathway. This one's got covered of leaves and visors. So yeah, here you have Shell Hollow Road Railroad Crossing in Evarts, Kentucky. Over and out.